When selecting your defensive pistol, there are a few factors worth considering: price, practicality, purpose, and power. Reliability, accuracy, and perhaps the most important factor of all, the U factor. Your unique ergonomics, to include your hand size, the ability for you to conceal it. As a professional teacher and firearms instructor, former police officer, and CSI, I am both uniquely qualified and passionate to teach these potentially life-saving skills. Be sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the long version of this video. Thanks. See you soon.